Hi guys, so it's my first video on my channel, and I was thinking my channel should be like making weapons. It's like kind of dangerous though, but whatever. I made this butterfly knife. If you guys want to learn how to make this butterfly knife, it's pretty good. It's made out of paper. The paper is thick and it's hard, and the tip is hard too, so be careful when you use this or when I make it. I'm sure you have to make this, you guys. It takes pretty long to make this, but you need patience to make this, or it won't turn out really well. It will turn out very not strong, I guess. And it will turn out really strong. So if you guys want to know how to make this, please subscribe, like, favorite, share, and comments down below if you do. Say yes or no. Or if you want to learn to make something else, I made like many different things. Tell me comments down below what you want to learn to make, and I'll make a tutorial for that. My videos will come out really slow because, you know, the making process and all the stuff, so yeah. Could use paper clips, or can use like those pens and pencil erasers on the back. Pencil erasers on the back. You can use those for holding it. I just use paper clips because I really don't have any of those, but you can guys still use those. And yeah, and I'm still working on the I forgot what it's called. The thing where you okay, so it stays together like this. Still working on that, so I'm gonna still make that. And then I'll show you how to do this if you want me to, guys. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Bye.